Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. If you lead a team, and you need to divide your team into 3 groups, to work on 3 projects respectively. Some of your team members are native speakers of Chinese. Some are native speakers of English. And others are native speakers of German. They are also used to different computer operating systems. Some are used to Windows. Some are used to Linux. And others are used to Mac. In addition, they are also good at different programming languages, including Matlab, Python, and Java. Because the colleagues in the same group must have close cooperation to complete the project. So in the process of grouping, you need to ensure that the colleagues in the same group have to have one of the aforementioned 3 features in common, which are native language, accustomed operating system, and programming language. It is now known that the first colleague, whose native language is Chinese, is used to the Linux operating system, and is good at Python programming, and you have already decided to appoint him to the first project. Another English-speaking colleague, who also uses Linux and Python, will go to the second project. Now it is the turn of our main character. He speaks Chinese, is used to the Linux operating system, and is good at programming in Java. Which project will you decide to appoint him to do? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. There would be no way to make a definitive decision if only these 3 colleagues are considered. We must consider some other possible colleagues. These colleagues should be different in terms of any of the 3 features from those 3 colleagues, or from the 2 colleagues whose projects are already clear. It then can help you make the decision. Let's first take a look at the native languages of these 3 colleagues. They are Chinese and English. So we should consider a colleague whose native language is German. The first 3 colleagues are all used to the Linux operating system. So we choose a different one, such as Windows. The first 3 colleagues are good at Python and Java respectively. Then the colleagues we are considering now should be good at Matlab. As such, he doesn't have anything in common with the first 2 colleagues whose projects are known. So he should go to the third project. Our main character also has nothing in common with him, so our main character should not go to the third project. We thus exclude the third, and then we have to check which of the first 2 projects can also be excluded. To this end, we have to consider more other colleagues. In order to have no common feature with the first 2 colleagues whose projects are known, we can consider such a colleague who speaks German, is used to Windows, and is good at Java. He should also go to the third project. In the current situation, we have a chance to put the new considered and the first colleague together as references, and then consider a completely different one. They speak Chinese and German. So the next colleague should speak English. They are used to Linux and Windows. So this new colleague should be used to Mac. They are good at Python and Java. So this new colleague should be good at Matlab. They will go to the first and third projects respectively. So this new colleague should go to the second one. Good. And this new colleague also has nothing in common with our main character. So our main character shouldn't be appointed to the second project either. He can only go to the first project. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.